Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix the copy and paste problem in Microsoft Word. So let's get started. First of all, open Word on your PC, then click on File and go to the Options menu. Next, click on Customize ribbon and then select Keyboard Shortcuts Customize at the bottom. Now in the Categories list, click on the Home tab. Scroll down and select Edit Copy. In the shortcut box, type Ctrl+C, then click Assign. Next, test if copy is working. If the problem isn't solved, do the same for paste. Go back to the Home tab, scroll down to Edit Paste, type Ctrl+V and click Assign again. And that's it, your copy and paste issue should be fixed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips.